In the stillness of a moonlit night, tragedy unfolded on the winding roads of Croakington. Hypno-Toad, after a late-night shift, succumbed to drowsiness, forgetting the wings of his Red Bull, and the consequences would be devastating. As the wheels of fate turned, a school bus carrying the dreams of innocence collided with the hypnotized vehicle. The aftermath left 20 young lives shattered, their dreams extinguished in the blink of an eye. In the wreckage, only 2 survived, the bus driver and Hypno-Toad. But the weight of guilt, the haunting echoes of that night, would prove too much for Hypno-Toad to bear. Haunted by the ghosts of that tragic night, Hypno-Toad's soul plunged into darkness, leading him to a decision that would echo through the marshlands. As Malevolence Unveiled delves into the shadows of this harrowing accident, the ripples of pain spread far and wide.